Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn an Instagram reel into a ringtone. Want to use an Instagram reel's audio as your ringtone? In this video I'll show you how to extract and set a reel's sound as your ringtone in just a few steps. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to download the Instagram reel, and to do that just open Instagram and find the reel you want with the sound you want. For example, I'm gonna click on this reel right here, and after that I'm gonna click on the three dots right here in the bottom right and click on select copy link. Let's see here, let's look for it. You can click on share. Let's try clicking on share and then click on copy link like this. As you see, the link is copied to the clipboard. Now the second step is to extract the audio from the reel. Now after you extract the link, go to a website like SS Instagram to download the reel. After that, open an audio converter app like MP3 converter for Android or GarageBand for iPhone and upload the downloaded reel and extract the audio as MP3. As for the third step is to set ringtone. Now on Android, just go to settings. Let's go to settings and then go to sound and vibration. Let's see sound here. Click on it and then click on ringtone and click on the plus button and select from it. Now in iPhone, use GarageBand by opening it and import the extracted audio and tap share to ringtone and save it as your new ringtone. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to turn an Instagram reel into a ringtone. Follow these steps and set your favorite sound as your ringtone. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.